Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 29th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily, the dollar is definitely dropping pretty hard. I wanted to start off on the daily because I wanted to show that we do not have a break of structure down yet. We really do not have any significant lower high yet. We definitely should be looking at this move down as a possible pullback to the move up, meaning that likely it probably is going to bounce from a fib level and end up continuing back up, especially if this really is like either a flat pattern or some sort of a WXYXZ pattern. So keeping that in mind, taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely paying very close attention to all my Fibonacci retracement levels. If one of these fib levels holds and it goes up at a fib level and breaks structure, then I would definitely become bullish on the dollar again. Like I said, there's a very good likelihood this move down is just a pullback to the last waves up. This move down is looking very impulsive, so it actually might just be like a wave A of an ABC correction. But either way, if it does make a nice fib bounce, a nice engulfing move to the upside, then I definitely would take it as a long via the dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.